In this video, we're going to learn how to solve this short math question. It's not fast. So let's get started. The question says Vivian bought party hats and cupcakes for $71. Each package of party hat costs $3 and each cupcake costs $1. If Vivian bought 10 packages of party hats, how many cupcakes did she buy? Alright, so for this kind of question, you have to be able to interpret it correctly first and express it mathematically correctly for you to get the correct answer. Alright, so let's do it together, guys. So now we're going to call the party hat X and the cupcake Y. Okay, that's the expression mathematically we're going to use to get the right answer to this question. So if Vivian bought, okay, if each package of party hat that Vivian bought is costing $3, so it's going to be, remember the party hat is represented as X, so it's going to be 3x plus, and the cupcake is costing, and each cupcake costs $1, so it's under 1 times y, and that's y, okay, equals 71, okay, dollars. So when I ask if Vivian bought 10 packages of party hat, remember the party hat is represented as X, so how many cupcakes did she buy? So it's going to be 3 times 10 packages of party hats, that's 3 times 10 plus y equals 71. So this gives you 30 plus y equals 71. So to make y, so the formula, that's the cupcake, so y will be 71 minus, this will cross over the equality sign, so it will be 71 minus 30, which give you was 41. Okay, so this shows us that if Vivian bought 10 packages of party hats, how many cupcakes did she buy? So this shows that she bought 41 cupcakes. Okay, so that's the answer to this question. So basically, we don't even need to punch anything on the calculator. So the question is straightforward. Once you're able to interpret it correctly and express it mathematically correctly, you're good to go. Hope you learned something interesting in the video. Let's call it a video, guys. If you are new to this channel, ensure that you subscribe to the channel by hitting the subscribe button for more of these videos, and like, share, and comment on this video. Tell me how you feel, what I learned from the video. If you have any specific questions as regarding what I've talked about in the video, feel free with your question comment section below, and I should give you a response. So you share parts of the channel membership by clicking the join button, getting information how to solve that some math questions to be dealing with. Alright, having known this, click on the next button. I see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.